Both females at the right time.
Little boy is gonna give her some hell.
Yucky, don't step in that.
Yeah, the little gray girl is a little scared. First time outside. First time outside. Come on, Integra. Very curious. That's a good sign. All these puppies are so cute. So cute. Here's a little black male. That's the gray female right there. Sniffing felony out. Two white ones are girls.
Psycho dogs.
Psycho dogs. They show it already. There's Bubba's dog, Toto. There's a little gray female over there.
This nice girl, these puppies wouldn't be out there.
Yeah, I know that, Tony.
You know why we gotta sit and convince Mom of everything we do?
Yeah, they are gonna be outside dogs. Well, at least Toto is. Can't speak for any of the rest of them. I wouldn't mind having that little black male.
Another thing is too, you can't potty train 7 dogs at once. It won't happen. We gotta wait till we get down to the one dog and start on the one we're keeping and start potty training them.
There they all are together, minus the 2 that we got rid of already.
And the 2 that are buried right over there.
And the 2 that died after birth.
I buried them right next to Elmo, so Elmo would have some company. They may not want to be out here all day, every couple hours. That's tough shit. We'll go get that box.
Couple hours a day ain't gonna kill them, at least not when it's snowing.
Get back!
When it's not snowing, I mean.
Better learn some manners, little lady.
There are the 2 grays. The male to the left, the female to the right. Going behind the dog igloo.
Okay.
Having a good old time. Actually, that's the boy. That right there's the female.
Yeah, take her. She'll try to get him loose. She'll try to break him out. That's why I can't have her over here. I'm gonna leave Felony over here. He'll be fine. Look at them puppies, Rose. They're them dogs. They're curious on what are those. Please don't be sitting in a pile of poop, Lily. As soon as you get poop. Hey, get up. Stand up. Daddy told you. Stand up. Stand up. There you go.
You are going to be so dirty when you get out of there.
All right. You can get dirty. I guess we can be fine. Can you let me just go at least get me my cigarettes and come out and grab my coffee?
Hurry up!
I'm going to go get me a chair.
Hurry up! Because I got schoolwork to do.
Let's go. At least want to go sit out here in the sun. The sun's going to be out over that tree here in a minute. I got to clean
Here are the 2 gray ones playing together, or they were. New place. First time outdoors. 2 white ones. There's a little gray one.
Oh, that's the hole. That's right.
Little gray one's over in the corner. This is the little gray female coming up right on me.
Get off. Thank you.
Lily, stand up!
Stand up, Lily. Lily, get up. Stand up. There you go.
Come on, Lily. Lilia!